Lynn?
Yes.
Okay, so last time we talked about what? Let's have a short recap first. Last time we talked about
Last time we talked about elements.
elements. Okay, very good. Last time
And
we talked about elements. So now, what is elements? Lynn?
element and
Hello, Lynn? I think there's something on your connection.
oh yes, I think my connection is
Hello? Lynn?
hello.
Okay, Lynn, I
Oh
think there's
yes.
something on your connection. What's wrong? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, Lynn, do you hear me?
Oh yes.
Okay. I can't hear you that much. I can hear you well, Lynn.
Oh yes.
Okay. So, Lynn, now, what is elements or what is an elements?
Element is materials that can be broken down into other materials.
Mm-hmm. Okay, continue reading, Lynn.
All objects are made from tiny particles called atoms, which usually join together in groups. Elements are pure materials, which means they are made from only one type of atom.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so elements is a material that can be broken down into other materials. Sorry, all objects are made from tiny particles, which called atoms. Okay, now so elements everywhere. Okay, there are two broad categories of elements. Can you please name those categories?
Uh, I think it's helium.
Mm-hmm. Here,
And
that's what
yeah,
are the two
element.
categories?
Uh, three three quarters of the elements are part of a group called metals. They are usually solids that conduct electricity.
Okay, very good.
Non-metal elements include gases such as hydrogen and oxygen, and
Oh,
solids such as carbon and sulfur.
okay. Again, hydrogen.
Hydrogen,
Okay, very good. This one, oxygen.
oxygen.
Okay, very good. So there are two categories of elements. Okay. Okay, elements
Yes,
are all around us in two categories. The first category is metals, in which there are what
uh,
okay, there are a shiny solid and good conductors of electricity. Okay?
yeah,
Okay. And the other one is the non-metal. Okay?
yes,
In which this can be gases, like
hydrogen
oxygen. Okay.
and so and solid
Oh, right.
like carbon and sulfur.
Okay, like carbon and sulfur. Very good. So we have also a key elements. Okay, we have also an elements, which is the aluminum, the calcium, and helium. Okay, so can you give me what is aluminum?
Aluminum is
Sorry. Okay, sorry, Lynn. Sorry, Lynn. Sorry. Okay, that one. What is aluminum?
the soft, light metal. Aluminum can be made into
Sorry.
foil, can- cans, and airplane parts. It doesn't rust like some metals.
Okay, very good. So aluminum, a soft, light metal that doesn't rust like others. Okay, so where can you see an aluminum? Can you give me can you give me an example?
Um,
Where can you
I
see
can
it?
I can see it in its cans.
Hands. All right. Very good. What else?
Uh, and cans and tray,
In
foil.
foil. Okay. Foil in the kitchen. What else?
Um, is lit. Oh no no. It's pot. Pot.
Okay. Parts. Airplane parts. Right?
Pot. P O
Pot.
T.
Pot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much. So aluminum. Oh, you can see or we can see aluminum from soda cans, foil in the kitchen like that. Also airplane parts based here in this description, okay?
Yeah.
Here, the airplane parts and pots. Okay, very good. So, oh my god. So, sorry. So, aluminum, additional information is aluminum is the most abundant metal in the earth crust. Okay, take note. Aluminum is the most abundant metal, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, where are you now, Lynn? Are you at your room?
Yes.
Okay, look inside. Can you please find objects that made of aluminum? Do you have
Um.
any objects that made of aluminum?
I
Cans.
think it
Look around your
cans.
place. Do you have cans there?
Oh, no. Is
You don't
I
have?
think yeah. I don't have cans.
Okay, it's okay. So, I have a question. So, as mentioned here in our book, um, aluminum, we can see aluminum or the we can see aluminum in airplane parts, right?
Yeah.
So, why do you think aluminum is used for airplanes instead of iron? Do you know what is iron, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So what do you think? Because
Mm, I think because because aluminum
Because
lighter iron.
okay, what is your answer? Because aluminum is
Uh, because aluminum is lighter than iron.
okay, that's good. That's the very good answer, okay? Because aluminum is lighter, so planes fly more efficiently, right?
Yeah,
Wow, very good observation, Lynn. Okay, now, after we talked about the aluminum, let's talk about the calcium. Okay? Do you know what is
yeah,
calcium?
y- yeah.
So, what is calcium?
Calcium is the metal. Calcium is found in rocks, living things,
Mm-hmm.
and milk. It helps make
Milk,
bones. Milk. It helps make bones, teeth, and animal horns.
horns, horns.
Horns.
Okay, very
Horns.
good. Do you drink milk,
Yes.
or do you or coffee?
I drink milk.
Okay. Okay, that's very good. Okay, so where can you see calcium or where you see it?
I can see it in milk.
Mm-hmm. What else?
Uh, uh, um, eggshell.
Hmm?
Eggshell
What? I can't hear you well.
is eggshell.
Eggshell?
Yeah,
Wow,
eggshell.
wow, very good. Okay, what else? Do you know what is seashells?
Yes.
Yes. Do you eat seashells?
And don't eat fishes. Yeah.
Okay, we're the same. Okay, so calcium, we can see calcium in milk or even dairy products, okay? Um, in eggshells, of course, and also seashells, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a question. Why is calcium important for humans or us people? Why do calciums important for us? What do you think?
Because I think calcium um, is calcium is sub supplements help strengthen bones and
Oh,
that's and is help us grow taller.
okay. So you say that calcium is important to human or us people because it strengthens. Okay, it strengthens bones, teeth,
It,
and do you believe that calcium also strengthen our nails? Here. Do you believe?
um yeah.
Yes, that's correct. Calcium is very important to humans. Okay, now let's have another element, the helium. This one. Okay, what is helium?
Helium is the gas. Helium is used in party balloons because it's lighter than air, so it float. Helium
Floats.
is made inside stars.
Okay. So the gas helium is used in party balloons because it is lighter than air. So it floats. Helium is made inside stars. Okay, so where can you see helium?
I can see helium in
Hmm.
balloons.
Yes, in party balloons. What else?
Um, in balloons
And
and mm, I think in the air.
okay, so we can see heliums in a party balloons and this one inside.
And
I sorry,
dark.
sorry, inside stars. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So in addition, helium makes balloons float because it is lighter than air. It also doesn't burn, making it safer. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand our topic?
Yes.
Is it difficult or just, easy
Is is
or
nor
average?
um is
Hard? It's
normal.
hard?
No, it's
Huh?
normal.
It's
It's normal. It's normal.
it's normal?
Yeah, no, is is neither easy nor difficult.
It's either easy nor difficult. Okay. So, have you already tackled this in your school?
Yes.
That's why it's easy for you to answer my questions. Wow. Keep it up. Okay, now let's go for gold. This one. What is gold?
Gold, the valuable metal gold is
Okay,
found
hold
in
on. Okay, hold on, Lynn. The valuable,
val,
valuable,
valu-
valuable. Okay.
yeah, the valuable
Yes.
metal gold is found in its pure form in nature. It can be harmed into shapes without snapping.
Very good. Okay, so can we, where can we see gold?
Um,
Can you give me an examples?
I can see gold in jewelry,
Yes, very good. Jewelry. What else?
um, in uh, in
What else?
uh, I think it's maybe mm, um, this points. Coins.
Coins?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Coins. What else?
Uh, Coins and mm, I don't know.
What about medals? Do you agree? Medals.
Yes.
Okay, medals also made up of some medals are made up of gold, okay?
Yeah.
So, a gold is a valuable and shiny metal that doesn't snap when hammered, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. So, you can see gold in jewelries, coins, and even medals, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so why do we use gold for jewelry? What do you think?
Mm, can you repeat?
Why do we use gold why do we use gold for jewelry?
I think because gold is um
Because gold.
gold is luxuries.
Mm-hmm.
A
What do
luxuries.
Oh, because gold is luxury. Okay. And also gold doesn't rust. Okay? And
Yeah.
it stays shiny.
Yeah.
Okay, it look like expensive, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Lynn, it's already 7:55, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so even though teacher love to continue our class, but our time has come to an end. So therefore, we will continue our lesson for the next class, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So see you next time, Lynn. Thank you so much for attending our class. Good night.
Thank you so much. Good night.
Good night. Okay. Sleep well. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.